Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. The primary goal of my YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. I will refer to other videos along the way. Please click the information symbol on the top right hand corner to open the video link panel. I love cauliflower. I ate cauliflower often when I was growing up. We lived next to a family farm grows cauliflowers. When cauliflower is in season, it was on the dinner menu every night, almost with infinite variations. I want to show you some of these variations. One of my favorite is cauliflower fried rice. However, before I show you how to make the fried rice, in this video, I would like to show you how I prep cauliflowers. I will give you 10 tips. Number 1, pick the cauliflowers with the freshest leaves because we are going to save the leaves. The leaves can be used in many different dishes and they do really well in fried rice. Number 2, prep the cauliflowers within 2 days after you brought back from the supermarket. The floret tends to turn black. Prepping extends the shelf life of the cauliflower. Store them in a tight container. Number 3, if the cauliflower floret have black spots, use a scraper to remove them gently. If you don't remove them, the black spot spread to other part of cauliflower rapidly. Number 4, after washing your cauliflower, dry the surface with a towel or a paper towel thoroughly. Normally, I do not wash my cauliflower unless I plan to eat it raw. Number 5, start with the leaves and cut the floret into large chunks. Then cut the floret into smaller pieces according to how you want to use it. Number 6, large size for dominant flavor. Cut the floret into size number 1, which is about 1.5 to 2 inches. That will make it into a main component of the dish. It makes cauliflower to become the dominant flavor of the dish. However, it also takes longer to cook. Number 7, a medium size for a vegetable medley. Cut the cauliflower into size number 2, which is about 1.5 inch or less. This will allow the cauliflower to mix in with other vegetables. Number 8, small size for spaghetti sauce. This is size number 3. At this size, the cauliflower can blend into the sauce. Number 9, extra small size for fried rice. This is size number 4. At this size, the cauliflower can cook quickly with the fried rice. Number 10, chop leaf into small pieces. The leaves are tender and flavorful even not cooked. I find many uses for them. The next is to chop the stem into small pieces. First, thinly slice the stems. Use my claw technique. Please see my videos on 10 tips in using the knife. Next, cut them into small strips. Then dice them using the rocking motion. Combine the leaves and the stems in the same container. I often use them together. Using this approach in prepping my cauliflower, I use every part of it. I do not waste any. I generally cut my cauliflower into size number 1, the large size. I can always cut them smaller if I have to. I generally use my prep cauliflower for different dishes over a 7 to 10 day period. The floret has a longer shelf life than the leaves and the stems. Once you have the prep ready and available to you, you will find many creative ways to use them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future postings. See you next time. Please stay safe.